any fucking checks on her before you send us there.
Laura. No, Wendy. No. She might have Piper. Let me take you there. Please.
Фотография твоя горят воспоминания.
Let me get in a cab so I can drop the door.